Do you think we're not going to go through hardship and difficulty? You need to learn to be a proud Muslim, not pride that comes with arrogance and haughtiness and belittlement of others and rejection of the truth, but rather the pride as in happiness. I'm happy to be a Muslim. I'm a happy Muslim and I'm proud of my identity. Here is my beard, here is my cloak. And that's why I started the way I did, because while arguing about what should go before the other, you might just lose the entire system. You'll say, you know what? Bugger this whole argument. Neither an abaya nor a cloak, nor a coat. It's out. It can happen, agreed? People put so much of pressure on others that they get so fed up, they say, I made a mistake. However, look at Allah telling us, you will face challenge. You have to face challenge. Don't give up your identity because a few people might have spat in your direction, a few people might have said a few hurtful words, a few people might have hurt you in one way or another. You can deal with that. You can deal with that. You must deal with that in an appropriate way, but it should not deter you regarding your faith.